oversized supermarket entrance with giant fruit signs, floating balloons, and a bright
We'll go to Silly
Monkey's supermarket. Slide open with a ding dong sound, and kids walk in excitedly.
Mom!
Look at this huge supermarket.
Let's grab a cart and start shopping. Hee hee hee.
Time to be silly.
Come along, let's grab a cart. Fill it up, let's play our part.
Fruits and veggies, juice and cheese, Madecki's fun and such a breeze. The kids push their shopping cart toward the fruit section,
But suddenly,
monkeys all every win. Apples go in the apple bin, bananas go with bananas, but silly monkeys mix them up. Oh no, this is bananas. Monkey elbow fluttering with nuts. Oops, apples in the banana pile. Oops, makes him monkey too. Throws grapes in the air.
whee!
Oh no, monkey stop the mess.
Might.
The kids must sing and clap to sort the fruits back into the right bins. Monkeys jump, monkeys spin, mixing everything again. Grab the cart, let's fix this mess. Shopping fun, but what a test. The kids walk into the dairy aisle, but the monkeys are slipping and sliding on spilled new milk. Goes here, cheese goes there, monkeys slip everywhere. The eggs are rolling on the floor. Hell now, don't break them more. Balancing eggs on his head. Look, I'm an acrobat. Slips on spilled milk. Wow, squat. We need a mop, let's clean up quick. The kids use a magic cleanup song to fix the mess. Real shelves filled with candy, but the monkeys are bouncing on giant marshmallows. Chocolate here, lollipops there, runny monkeys bouncing everywhere. They're on the shelves, they're on the floor. Stop the monkeys, no more. Hung from candy shells, rolling in chocolate syrup. Rolling in chocolate syrup up. Whoops, sticky mess. Monkeys pop, we need to pay. The monkeys throw candy in the cart, and kids must pick only healthy snacks. Woo! Monkeys jump, monkeys spin, mixing everything again. The cart, let's fix this mess. Shopping fun, but what a test. Monkey 7 starting to obey the monkeys. All hiding, filling shelves properly. This goes here. The Vabernelling on Sobrumblies. Now it's time to check out fast. Scan the food, make it last. One by one, we're almost done. Supermarket shopping's fun. Great job, kids, but where are the monkeys? All hiding. Filling shelves properly.
This goes here.
Now it's time to check out fast. Scan the food, make it last. One by one, we're almost done. Supermarket shopping's fun. Great job, kids, but where are the monkeys? All hiding.